lovely students. My dear students, I hope that you all are fit and fine at your places. Dear students, I know that you all are really missing your school. But not to worry. Here I am back with one more educating video of the chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. Dear children, in our previous video, we have learned about number names from 10 to 20. We have learned about place value. Then we have learned grouping of numbers. We have done grouping of 10. I hope that now all the three topics are clear to you. You can write number names on your own. You can find out place value of the given number and you can do the grouping. Today we are going to do some more topics of your mathematics NCERT book. So dear children, let's get started.
Dear children, page number 71 of your maths textbook. Here we have to do counting from 10 to 20. Fill in the blanks. First one is done for you. Here you can see 9 matchsticks are there. Plus we have to add one more matchstick to the 9 matchsticks. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10 matchsticks. You all know addition. Then coming to the second one, you can see 10 matchsticks. One bundle is made up of 10 matchsticks. Plus we have to add one more matchstick to the bundle of 10 matchstick. So here 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Then next again one bundle of 10 matchsticks has been made here. Plus we have to add 2 more matchsticks to the bundle of 10 matchsticks. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. Then again 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. Then 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. Like this you have to add. Next page, coming to the next page, page number 72. Here also you have to do the same thing. You have to add 10 matchsticks. A bundle is made up of 10 matchsticks. Plus we have to add 5 more matchsticks. So 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Then coming down, 10 matchsticks. The bundle is made up of 10 matchsticks. Plus we have to add 6 more matchsticks. 10 plus 6 is equals to 16.
Dear children, 3 more are done for you. You have to do only one. 10 plus 8. I hope that you can do it on your own.
Dear students, coming to page number 76. Here you have to make group of 10 and you have to write the numbers and put them in their place value. The first one is done for you. You can see here 13 ice creams are given. You have to make group of 10 ice creams. Here group of 10 ice creams has been made. How many are remaining? 3 are remaining. So the number will be 10 ice creams plus 3 ice creams is equals to 13 ice creams. Total there are 13 ice creams. Now you have to put the number 13 in their place value. So here, as you all know, in place value we have to start from right. So starting from right, 3 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place. Next is, you can see 15 lanterns are there. First what we will do, we will make group of 10. We will count 10 lanterns and we will make group of 10. Then 5 are remaining. So 10 lanterns plus 5 lanterns is equals to 15. The total number of lanterns are 15. Now how we will put them in their place value? Starting from right, 5 is in the place of 1's and 1 is in the place of 10's. Dear children, the rest of the 2 you will do it on your own.
Dear children, coming to the page number 74. Here also you will have to make a group of 10. Then you will write the number and you will put the numbers in their place value like we have done in page number 73. I hope that you are able to do this on your own. So please do it by yourself.
Coming to the page number 75, you can see here we have to complete the table. How we will complete the table? Let's see. First, here a bundle of 10 matchsticks is made. 1, 10. Okay. So here in the here it is given that you have to write 1 0 10, then 1 0 10. Then you will write like same. You will complete the table by writing 10 in each blank. Then coming down here, one bundle of 10 matchsticks is there plus 1 matchstick. So 110 plus 1 1. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. What you will do? You will write 11 in all the blanks. Same coming down, a bundle of 10 matchsticks is there. 110 plus 2 ones. 12. The number is 12. 2 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. What you will do? You will write 12 in all the blanks. Coming to the page number 76. Here also you have to do the same thing. You have to complete the table by writing the numbers. Then coming to page number 77. Here also you will do the same thing that you have done in page number 75 and 76. And same you will do in page number 78. Thus, we will complete the table from 10 to 20. The numbers 10 to 20. Wow, dear children, this is so interesting. Page number 79. Here we have to tick the group with more objects. In chapter number 1, shapes and space, we have learned about more and less. So here we will do the same. We will tick the more objects. Here let us count the pots. How many pots are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 on left hand side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 on right hand side. So which one is more? Which group is more? Yes, the left hand side group is more than right hand side. Same you will do in the next 3 also. Leaves, footballs and mangoes. I hope that you all are able to do this on your own.
Dear children, now it's time to learn one interesting topic, that is backward counting.
So students, here we are going to learn about backward counting. What is backward counting? What is backward? Backward means to move back. To move backward. That is called backward counting. Like in forward counting, how do we write? You all know how to do the counting, the normal counting. That is called forward counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Suppose a child is standing here, okay. These are the stairs. Assume that these are the 10 stairs. He wants to climb up, okay. He will climb from 0 to 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is called forward counting. This will be the forward counting. Now, when he reached here at the 10th stair, he wants to come back. He wants to move back. So, he will move from 10 to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and he will reach here in the down one stair, that is 0. So, this will be the backward counting. This is called backward counting. So, how we will write? We will write like this: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is the backward counting. Similarly, if you will be asked to write backward counting from 20 to 0, how you will write? Same. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and so on. So students, I hope that the concept of backward counting is clear to you all now, and you all are capable of doing the backward counting. Dear children, I hope that chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20 is clear to you all now. The topics we have learned like backward counting, number names, place value to find out the place value, and grouping is all clear to you. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to do the given PDF work in your maths notebook, and please take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Eat healthy food. Don't go outside. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.